Away! Or whatever you call yourself! This is just the beginning! And it is a warning to all of you here who are subjects to this childless weakling of the kings. Know it! Know it that your days are numbered! Because one after the other, I will sting you like the scorpion, beat you like a serpent, until fear becomes your best friend. My sons, Prince Ebi and Amange, will molest your wives, and the heavens will not fall. And as for your daughters shall become their footstool. I am so going to deal with you mercilessly to the point that your houses, your land and your rivers, the wind and the trees will begin to whisper my name as the King of Terror. I am King Selim.
King of Terror. King Selim. King Selim. King Selim, the King of Terror.
This is not good at all. This is not good. Gods of our land, why have you chosen to treat me this way? What have I done wrong? That you cannot give me even a single heir to my throne? Who is that knocking at my door? Who is that? What are you doing at my door?
The elders are here to see you.
The elders want to see me at this time of the night? Elders?
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes.
You all ought to be in bed by this time of the night. What is this emergency meeting that cannot wait till morning all about? That you have to wake me up?
Your Majesty, the gods have taken away sleep from our eyes. The night has suddenly become the day before us. Our land is on fire.
This land?
Our land is on fire. And we are scared of closing our eyes to sleep, so that we are not consumed by the flame of the fire that is already burning.
Elder Kempa, you are speaking in parables, while the fire burneth according to you. Why don't you come out plain
Your Majesty, we have come to talk to you on something very important. Based on its importance and gravity, we have decided to come at this hour of the night.
I am all ears. Go ahead.
Your Majesty, the insult given to you and the people of our kingdom is beyond explanation. And that's more reason why we are here to plead with you. To take a second wife who can bear you heir to the throne. King Sele is on us because he has grown up children as his successors. And because he knows that you have none. For that reason, he has been laying ambush for our youth, attacking and insulting our people because he sees us as weak vessels and unfortunate people.
In addition to that, Your Majesty, our warriors, they are not as well trained as theirs.
Are you saying our warriors, my warriors, are not well trained?
Yes.
So knows nothing about warfare?
Yes, Your Majesty. Even if we try to retaliate, we will end up losing our innocent young one who knows nothing about it.
You mean my warriors and fighters have no knowledge about anything war?
Your Majesty, we are pleading with you to pick a second wife that will give a successor so that King Sele will shut up and stop intimidating our people.
You have the key to put a stop to this or allow it to continue. Your Majesty, you are a king, the Ba Fate of this great kingdom. By tradition, you are permitted to marry as many wives as you want. Please. What we, the elders, are saying is for you to take another wife.
Is that all?
Yes,
Your Majesty.
Good night.
King Sele, King Sele.
A nightmare to my people and my kingdom. What have become of you? Why? You know what to do. Surrender your throne and kingship. I am King Sele. I am the king of terror. I have come to warn you. I have come to warn you to stay away henceforth. From this day, no man born of a woman from your kingdom is allowed to go close to that stream. Yes, if I hear or see any man born of a woman from this kingdom in that stream, I swear by the gods of my kingdom, I will feed the flesh of that person to my dogs. I am King Sele. Whatever I say, that I do. Do not say that I did not warn you.
You are an idiot! You are an idiot!
Wait.
I repeat, you are an idiot. That stream only demarcates your land from mine. And you cannot lay claim being the owner of that stream. It is not possible. And so long as I live, unless you kill me before that will happen.
Be prepared to die, because I am going to do that with all pleasure.
And you think
I am not done talking? And as for calling me an idiot, this is my response. Listen to me. Today is your lucky day.
and it shall always be. I will always be lucky over you.
The king of the road.
I don't know why. The gods have chosen to let us pass through this. Where did we go wrong? What have we done to deserve this humiliation?
It is not your fault, my wife. So stop crying. If we were to have children by the number of years we have spent together as husband and wife, we would have had children. Fill the whole community. It is the gods of our land I have to blame. Stop crying. And tonight, I must get an answer from them. Tonight. Tonight.
Oh no, my husband.
Enough is enough.
Oh no, please come back. Come back, my husband, please come back. Where are you going to at this hour of the night?
Strong and wise, he's calm and kind. He has no heir to his throne, and they call him a weak king. He's away, away. He's away, away. He's away, away. He paid not away very much God. He's away, away. He's away, away. He's away, away. He paid not away very much God.
Where are the gods and goddesses that inhabit this land? Where are you? Where are you? You were the ones that chose me as king in this kingdom. And I have served you faithfully without complaining. But today, I am angry. I am angry. Give me children to silence Silly and every of my enemy. Or you kill me and let's end it here. Why rescue a man
you cannot help. Why?
Shut up, Owe! You talk too much and worry too much. You haven't seen and your voice heard. Go on to thy wife this night. For I am giving to you and your kingdom my warriors, to bring back the dignity and pride of your kingdom, and to end every affliction and trouble your people have gone through. Go! Go! Go!
No! 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 This can't be. This is not possible. Call Prince Ebi and Amange. We have to visit the Princess of Light. Yes. Go and call them.
Yes, Mama, you see.
The dream. This is not possible. Princess of Light. One that has never bowed or knelt down before anyone. When you pray, the gods and the goddesses, they do your bidding. You have fought so many battles, both physical and spiritual. Yet, you had never been defeated, not even for once. We greet you.
King Sele, I know why you are here. You are afraid of what you saw.
Exactly. That is why I am here. Those children must not be born.
Those are not children. Those are ancient warriors from the sea. And they are going to be your doom.
That is what I don't want to happen. You have to do something. That is why I'm here. Please, you
No, my king. You don't have to kneel down. You're a king. And you are permitted not to kneel before me.
Okay, so what do we do? What do we do to stop them from coming into this world?
My king, nothing can be done. The queen is already pregnant, 7 months pregnant. And no man born of a woman can destroy her, nor the children.
Princess of Light, is there anything too difficult for you to do? You still can do something. Do something that will avert this impending
Enough.
doom.
My king, there is only one thing I can do for you.
Then do it. Do it.
Only one thing. I will empower my 2 most ancient warriors in the sea. They will make sure that they arrest them on their 7th birthday. There is something you must know. Once these children are born, they will start functioning as gods. In every year of their birthday, they must take sacrifice to the river and pay homage to them. Else, they will start losing their physical powers. King Sele. King Sele. You will bring me 7 children. Go to their land and bring me 7 children. Between age 1 to 7. I will use it to sanctify and fortify my warriors. To arrest them on their 7th birthday. This is the only way to this impending danger.
There is now something.
You can now leave. Remember, 7 children.
King Sele, Kisele, the king of the road. The birds sing his name, the wind sings his name. Even the gulls are silent and watching. They are watching the king of the road. He's strong and wise. He's calm and kind. He has no heir to his throne, and they call him a weak king. He's so He's so He's so He paid the
Gods of our land, where are you? Where are you? For how long? For how long will we continue in this pain and misery? Is it when the entire kingdom is wiped out that you will come to our rescue? Today, King Sele has bitten more than he can chew. I've never been known to be a coward. I will go up to him and challenge him, king to king, man to man. If I die, I die. Enough is enough.
Your Majesty, none of us here is happy over the death of our innocent youth and our children being taken into captivity. But still, we can't let you go because it's a suicide mission. Let us bury our dead and think of a better way of tackling this matter. Please, I beg you, Cecil!
Your Majesty, when a child ignores the family, it stays under the rain. Under 3 years of we trying to abase the wickedness and humiliation of King Sele, have brought out a great loss. Approximately 100 youth, 100 able youth have been killed, who could have stood for us as warriors of today. Our kingdom is almost empty without these people. Take a good look at your kingdom, and you will know that we are doomed if we dare do anything stupid without the support of the gods, my king.
Thank you, my elders, for your concern. I will go in and prepare for this battle. I cannot wait here. Watch my people being wiped out or being wasted like that. If I die, I die.
King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror. The birds sing his name, the wind sings his name, even the gulls are silent and watching.
You're not allowed to go beyond this limit. Prince Amange, I did not come for you. I seek your father, so we may settle this madness once and for all. Not you. Why should we stress our father by letting you see him when he has trained us to handle minor issues like this? Prince Amange, the absence of manners, etiquette, and good upbringing have deformed your mentality towards kings and elders. For the very last time, leave my way. I seek your father. The only reason why I don't want to fight is because of the crown on your head. Go back to your miserable kingdom. Go back! For the last time. Leave my way!
I warned you, but you insisted. Now, see how the little prince insulted you.
You don't have to blame me. Don't blame me. I did what was expected of me at that moment.
What if they had killed you? What would I have done? Gods of our land, I challenged you by calling you powerless gods. What have we done to be treated this way? If you cannot arise and fight and defend the people who serve and worship you on the same land, I will not only call you powerless, but I will proclaim all through the land that you are powerless.
What is it? Anything? Are you sure?
Yes,
What could this be? What is it now? What is it? Sorry, what is it? What is it? Guards! Maidens! Guards and maidens, where are you?
The baby!
Rest. Guards! Maidens!
Who
The
on
baby is
earth
coming!
can explain. This is a mystery, but it's not a weak king. It's a way, oh, way.
Great kingdom of Amatolo.
Great! We are gathered here today to rejoice over this wonderful gift from the gods, my sons, and to give them names according to our tradition. It would have been a moment of rejoicing, eating and drinking. But how can we drink when we are still mourning our brothers and sisters? How can we eat when all our youths who were supposed to do the eating, drinking and dancing are all lying cold in their graves? Indeed, the gods gave us good food at a time we no longer have appetite to eat. And our tongues have lost taste for food. Elder Kemepa, come closer and present the bangles. I, King Owe of Amatolo Kingdom, before the mortals of this great kingdom, the sun, the wind, the land, the rivers, the birds of the sky, and every living thing in this land, I hereby name you Prince Owekro II, the heir apparent to my throne. Just as the second one, his brother. His brother, I, King Owe of Amatolo Kingdom, hereby present Prince Idubamowe. He shall be the invisible strength of his brother. He will stand beside his brother in his time as leader of Amatolo Kingdom.
The child in your hands is evil. He has no mortal soul, but the soul of immortality, clothed with darkness.
Burju, you've been the only one we look up to for words of wisdom from the gods. But it surprised me this time around. As perilous as this, you seem to disappear into thin air. And the only time you reappear before this kingdom is to condemn the gift from the gods, proclaiming the child given to us as evil.
That child is no man who derive more pleasure in seeing the blood of men flow.
So, Brutu, what do we do?
Kill him!
Kill who?
Kill him now before it's too late!
Oh, Brutu, now I know. You've been sent by King Sele to come and kill my son. That is not going to happen. A gift from the gods by proclaiming him evil.
Your Highness, it's teaching time. 6-9. Do not say I did not warn you. For that which is to come is far greater than what you said now.
If you meant so well for this kingdom, why did you desert us in the hands of our enemies to destroy us? And they came, slaughtered our youths,
Kill him!
burnt down our houses,
Kill
and
him now!
humiliated my kingdom.
Before it's too late.
And you surface here to tell me that the child in my hands, a gift from the gods, is evil?
Kill him now!
Leave my presence! Leave! Leave!
She's the only one to reveal. She's the princess of light.
Ancient gods of the land, your food is here. Eat, and work for me. Eat and be satisfied. I do not need to tell you the intent of this sacrifice. Eat that you may work for me. Eat! Now that you have eaten, show your face! Show your face! I know. I can hear you. Yes, on their 7th birthday. It is done. My princess. My princess.
Yes, Princess of Light.
The sacrifice is done. But one more thing.
Tell me.
You must all drink from this plate as a means of fortification ahead of the impending danger that is to come.
No problem. The Princess of Light.
Drink!
We are ready.
Drink! It is done. Drink! Yes, it is done. You can now go. It is done.
She's the only
Tell your
one
father,
to
it is
reveal.
done.
She's the Princess of Light. She's
Tell
the
King
Princess
Sele,
of
it
Light.
is done.
She's the Princess of Light. The hope of the people.
Sibema, mama, ikonsibika sibema, iboswade yo, mama, yebokume, ikonsibika sibema, iboswade yo, mama, yebokume, ikonsibika sibema. Ikombaraka sibema, mama, ikonsibika sibema, iboswade yo, mama, yebe kume, ikonsibika sibema, ikombaraka sibema, mama, ikonsibika sibema, iboswade yo, mama, yebe kume.
What is it?
It's
What
the
is it?
maidens again.
Meetings again? Did they hurt you?
Not then.
Then what?
It's the beast. This time around, he looked into my eyes.
You mean the beast?
Yes, and my breath ceased. As if I was dying.
Why this dream? Always. Why this dream? So how do you feel now?
I'm just worried. I'm just scared and worried.
Any physical pain?
No.
She's the only one to reveal. She's the princess of life.
You're the only one in this life that is permitted to do this with me. Any other man that touches me dies.
But why?
Because you and your 6 sisters are gift from the gods to this kingdom. You were meant to bring the presence of immortals to your kingdom.
And because those immortals, my 6 sisters were accused and buried alive. And I was casted out among my people to live in this forest.
I know. It was the ignorance of King Zowe's father that brought this calamity upon your land. Amatolo used to be the pride of every kingdom, with so much prosperity, until the gods decided to donate you and your 6 sisters to your land. But little did they know that the beauty of your sisters will attract the sons of other gods from the water into your land.
And because they kept visiting from the river, the then king connived with the chief priest and buried my sisters alive.
And making you flew into this forest for your life. Your mother, she cried upon the graves of your sisters until she died. Your father, he was killed by the guards on attempt to kill the king. I'm sorry.
So, my father and my mother are dead.
Courage. You've been in this forest for so long. You have no idea what has transpired in your kingdom. Your sisters have arrested the gods of that kingdom through their songs of innocence. For a place that was once beautiful is now looking like a graveyard. Worry not. Worry not. You'll be well.
My priestess, don't worry.
I know.
She's the only one to reveal. She's the princess of life. She's the princess of life. She's the princess of life, the hope of the people.
Kolokolo! Owoi kolokolo! Owoi kolokolo!
Swatunda!
Embara mi ebi.
Gariko rupamo. Embada me bi bo se miasia. Oh! Me otra me mbelamo. Me gari me mbelamo. An embada ke me biama. Anene better kilo. Ye Wilfuna Dalai.
Wilfuna Dalai msa Dalai zinama. Adalai msa reka dok and Adalai kene. Kepo. Anene better kile. Eda nango warbe.
Kuroti me da. Kemme tobo bona na wal dang na ba. Al kuroti ngami. Pada ye mosal mak na bolo kwa. Do ya ma ne kuromo siri. You must have put look and Nakala Wardaro.
More. My bad, they were more. We often not alive, says Zeni Donat Dalai. He raised me.
Makemi,
and then the better.
Kere Bomo.
Anabai!
Oh, wait, Kolo. You are the strongest. All the elders are complimenting you. Ever since you took over from your father, you have conquered territories that have stood as a threat or challenge to your kingdom. You are indeed a very strong king.
Chief Ayakbo, you have spoken well. But it will interest you to know that I have not started. Oh yes. I do not only intend to conquer my neighboring community. I will also make them my own community. Oh yes, I will.
Oh, Kolo. I believe you, my king. And you have our support always.
Ibedaowe. I'll croak me.
Owiya.
Greetings, Father. Greetings, my chiefs.
Prince.
Father.
How are you?
I'm fine. Can I speak with you?
Oh, really? Come on, lay a whisper. What? What did you just say? No, don't even go there because that is practically impossible.
Father, I could not believe it myself until I went there and saw her.
Chief Ayakbo, how would you react if someone tells you that a princess of light who is not supposed to be touched by any man, or who has not been touched by any man, is all of a sudden pregnant?
What abomination?
Is this a joke? It is not possible.
It is possible. It is happening. I saw her with my 2 eyes.
This is an expensive joke. I don't believe until I see her myself.
Anyways, the good news is that we will be visiting her soon. And if we find out that this story is true, just be rest assured that we are doomed for life. Because the Princess of Light, she cannot allow a man, a mortal man, to lay hands on her. It is a taboo. If this happens, the implication is that the Princess of Light has compromised her fate. And this will not speak well with the people. Oh, yes.
Oh, Egberi Kromo.
Amanunuwe. Does it mean that she was having an affair with the gods?
How is that possible? Where have you heard the gods from the river having an affair with a mortal or immortal beings? It has never been heard before. One thing is certain. The Princess of Light will tell us our mortal boyfriend that has given her this pregnancy. Otherwise, the people will cease to believe in her.
The birds sing his name. The wind sings his name. Even the gods are silent in watching. They are watching the king of terror.
That kind of jammy.
The king of terror.
Ninimo, ninimo, ninime. Ninimo, ninimo, ninimo. 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 Ninimo, ninimo.
Your Majesty!
Healing! His elder brother is just a sign of a greater calamity that awaits this kingdom. If you allow this ancient warrior to grow among men, I warned you, he is bloodthirsty and will stop at nothing until this kingdom is wiped out. Kill him now before it's too late.
Be quiet, Bruto! I forbid you from entering this palace. And now, you have disobeyed me. Guards! Guards!
Your Majesty!
Tie him up!
I'm only but a messenger. And I came to deliver this message to you. The decision is yours to make.
Mama, you have finished me. You have finished me. Of our land. Where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? I'm finished. I'm finished.
King Sele, King Sele.
Princess of Light, the entire Azusa kingdom is here. Since the day you were given to us by the gods, you will agree with us that we have treated you fairly. But today, our faith and trust in you is hanging on the balance because you are pregnant like a mortal. We have come to know who is that man worthy enough to put you in the family way in this kingdom. Otherwise, the people of this kingdom will stop to believe in you.
King Sele, the father of my unborn child, is but a man of complete perfection, both gods and human. He's the only one that is permitted to touch me without being hurt. But to satisfy your curiosity, tell me, who amongst you is man enough to touch me?
What do you think you're doing? What does it look like I'm doing? To touch her, of course. Are you mad? Do you want to die? Brother, she has been deceiving all of us all this while. She's human, flesh and blood. She has feelings and can make love. Else, how did she get pregnant? In case you don't like your life, you feel like dying, please, definitely not in my presence. Do it when I'm not around, so that you will not stress me from trying to save you. Fool. Father, like I said before, this meeting is unnecessary. Please, let's go.
Oh, will you shut up? Don't talk like a fool. I will not live here until I know the man that is worthy enough to put her in the family way.
King Sele.
I want to be sure if this is the handwork of my enemy.
King Sele, I have said all you need to hear. Go home. The man who got me pregnant is of the gods. You don't need to hear it. Go home.
Did you hear that? Is it not obvious that There is something that we need to know. I can smell it. She's now hiding the man that got her in the family way from us. Now listen to me. You, woman, I've given you 7 days to unveil whoever that has done this to you. Otherwise, the entire kingdom will find it hot with you and you will be exposed.
Your Majesty, for challenging the gods that backed you up in time of trouble and war. For misleading your chiefs, your children, not to bow before the goddess of light. You will look for me for 7 good years and you will not find me. The glory of this kingdom has just departed.
Oh, you lie! That is a big lie! I know why you're doing this. You don't want your secret to be exposed. That is why you're doing this. I know that you want to run away. I know that is what you want to do. Princess of Light! Prince, where are you, Princess of Light?
Away, away, he's away, away, he's away, he paid not away, Tari Moto.
You can't give in to what that madman said. You can't kill my son. Will you?
My wife. Then what do we do? The whole villagers are now afraid of our little son.
He may have killed his brother by mistake. If you kill my son, I'll kill myself.
Look at me. Do you think I can really kill my only son? Am I getting any younger? After how many years of marriage without a child? Even if the whole villagers connive with Britu, I can't do that, and I will not. My wife, mark my word.
She's the path that leads to light. Ancient truths are hidden. She's the only one to reveal. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light. The hope of the people. He's strong and wise. He's calm and kind. He has no heir to his throne, and they call him a weak king. He's a way away. He's a way away. He's a way away. He pays all the way, carry more double. He's a way away. He's a way away. He's a way away.
My princess, eyes and ears of the gods, powerful and mighty in all situations, commander of the mortals and immortals. What could be enough powerful to put you in this mood, my princess?
Kuro, can you sing for me?
What kind of song do you want me to sing for you?
Any song. Any song that can take the anger and thoughts of hatred that has filled my heart.
Okay, I will sing for you. Princess yo tarerima,
Werigbelegha, princess yo tarerema. Bonanga di me, Banyananga di me. Princess, oh my love, eternity famine. Werigbelegha, princess yo tarerema. Werigbelegha, princess yo tarerema. Bonanga di me, Banyananga di me.
Your Majesty, we all know that these past times have been the most challenging moment to us in this kingdom. I remember how we had to bury 6 maidens of this kingdom alive, making their mother to die on their grave, and the father died trying to fight back, while the only son flee for his dear life, but may have met his end too in the sacred forest. Just because the whole village believed they were cursed and therefore attracting the presence of the water spirit into the land to terrify, kill, and trouble the people and peace of this kingdom. Your Majesty, with all due respect, I don't know how to put this, but if Burutu, whom the gods used to pass that judgment on that family, is now saying that your son Ndubamo will bring doom upon this kingdom, and we, the elders, just witnessed how he murdered his elder brother, why don't we do something about him now, before it is too late?
My elders, I am surprised at all of you. That you're still holding that against my son, that I should do away with him. Oh, I am surprised.
Your Majesty, our people say, when the household died, the house became empty. But we still have us, Her Majesty, as a father. Okoso Berry banana, there's a tepe pele, there's a perim to Boloka. For how long? Will the family's bed be in silence before they keep us? In essence, what have we saying? Please give us the permission to go and get a great seer from Odi. Or better still, we can go and visit him to get a greater solution on what to do to avert any impending danger in this land.
Well, I've heard about this great Tibia, also from Odi. But there is something we must know. Getting to Odi entails crossing the high sea, which makes the journey very difficult.
Your Majesty.
I have not finished, my elder. But not the least. I'll think about it.
Your Majesty.
Remember, our people always say that a man who is running for his dear life does not consider the danger that lies on the road that leads to his escape.
You always speak in parables. But I've heard you. As I said, I will think about it.
The king of the road.
Father,
what I'm saying? You see what I am saying? The villagers are protesting because they have heard your reaction towards the Princess of Light. They are saying that you have chased her away and there is no one they can run to for their spiritual needs.
They are all mad. And no, maybe Brian told me. Did I chase away the Princess of Light? Were you not there when I confronted her about her pregnancy? And instead of her to unveil the true identity of the man who got her pregnant, she decided to run away. And you here spewing this rubbish?
Father, we need to make peace with the Princess of Light. We need to look for a way to bring her back. She has done so much for this community. And she does not deserve the attack we gave to her.
What exactly are you trying to say? I mean, what is the point you are trying to make? You are accusing me of chasing the Princess of Light away from this kingdom. I see. It is very clear that you have lost your sense of reasoning because of the too much food you eat. You know what I will do to you? I am going to place you under a strict surveillance, with or without food for 21 days. And if you dare disobey my orders, I will transfer automatically your birthright to your younger brother, and you will serve him for the rest of your life. Now get out of my presence because you are a fool.
The king of the road.
The you are destined. You are a fool.
He's
strong and wise. He's calm and kind. He has no heir to his throne, and they call him a weak king.
He's a way away. He's a way away. He's a way away. He paid not away Tarimota. He's a way away. He's a way away. He's a way away. He paid not away Tarimota.
It's a mixture of joy and pain. Who on earth can explain? This is a mystery, but he's not a weak king. He's a way away. He's a way away. He's a way away. He paid not a way Tarimoto.
Way away. He's a way away. He's a way away. He paid not away Tarimota. He's a way away. He's a way away. He's a way away. He paid not away Tarimota.
She's the truth, all the verity. She's the path that leads to life. Ancient truths are hidden. She's the only one to reveal.
She's the princess of life.
My son.
The guards are out, searching for him all over the place. I'm yet to get any positive report.
I've also gone around. I can't find him. I'm finished.
Hold yourself. Hold yourself.
I'm finished.
Hold yourself.
I don't know
What was that?
Please, can you keep yourself together? Hold yourself together. We are all in this together. Hold yourself.
Oh my.
Yes, what is that?
Have you seen my
Did you see him?
Majesty, we searched all over the country.
So what have you come to do?
The fisherman is here to see you.
A fisherman is here to see me? Bring him in. Come, we are in this together. Please, you can't keep yourself for now. Hold on.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Yes, what is it?
Your Majesty, my eyes have seen the unbelievable this morning.
Speak up! What is it?
Your Majesty, I saw your son, Prince Idubamo.
My son? Prince Idubamo? Where?
I saw your son, Prince Idubamo, walking into the river by himself.
Into the river?
Yes. With his eyes like fire and blood all over his body.
Blood?
Yes, Your Majesty. When I saw him, I tried to pull closer. Before I knew it, 2 giant beasts came up.
What did you say?
Into the river.
Giant
beasts?
Yes.
From the river?
Yes.
Grabbed him?
Yes.
Hold on. And he vanished?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Gods and goddesses of the river, I beg you, please release my son to me. I need him, oh. I need him. I need my son. Oh my God. Sweet my son, bro. Holy son.
Please, let's go home. We've been here for too long. We've searched everywhere to no avail. Please, let's go home.
I am not leaving this place without my son. If they can't release him to me, they should take me too. I am not leaving this place. I cannot give up on him.
I will not rather, but remember, it was the gods that gave them to us. And if they decide to take back the gift they gave to us, there is nothing we can do. Even if we stay here till eternity, it will be a waste of time. Let's go home, please. Let's go home. Let's go home.
I cannot leave.
Let's go home. Let's go.
Let them give me my son. That is all I ask for.
Let's go home. Please, hear me. Let's go home.
I am honored, Your Majesty, standing before you today and given the privilege to use my giftings at this perilous time.
This is not the time for pleasantries. I've heard so much about your gift from my people. This is the time to prove whether what they're saying is right or not. Tell me, what do I do to those vultures that have the temerity to wake the sleeping lion?
Your Majesty, the evil wind that blows into this kingdom last night brought in what we mortal men call a child. But he is not a child, but an ancient warrior born into the house of a king whose heart is bitter by torment and frustration meted on him by you, Your Majesty.
If I get the drift of your tongue, you are talking about that weakling
who calls himself King Owe. Am I right or wrong?
Exactly, Your Majesty.
I see. The Princess of Light warned me. Oh yes, she did warn me about it. But according to her, they are supposed to be twins. Why is it that you're talking about just one of them? Do you have a reason for it?
The younger one killed the older one. In the law of the spiritual, the weak does not rule over the strong. Prince Indubamo knew that his brother Owe Jr. will cross his path one day, so he averted the future by killing him.
So it means that that little imp is the one that did this to my kingdom. I see. What do I do to bring him down?
You cannot bring him down, Your Majesty.
Why?
It takes only immortal to bring down an immortal. The little warrior you call a child has lived thousands of years, fought and conquered many battles. But I have a good news for you, Your Majesty.
I'm all ears. Spill it. What is the good news?
The Princess of Light, 7 years ago, awoke 2 warriors from the ancient world, sacrificing about 7 children. And last night, after the deed of Prince Idubamo, he went to the riverside to pay homage, marking his 7th year on earth. And the warriors held him hostage, vowed never to release him again. Your Majesty.
This is good news. Nevertheless, Owe and his people must be dealt with bitterly.
This is all I can say, Your Majesty. But King Owe and his kingdom as weak as the earthworm without that warrior child. They are at your mercy now, my king.
My guards will bring your reward to you later in the day. But for now, my sons and I have a battle to fight.
I beg to take my leave, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Azusa Kingdom, Ado?
Yeah!
Azusa Kingdom, Ado?
Yeah!
Azusa Kingdom, Kibani?
Yeah!
Now I want you to listen to me. This is just the beginning.
Yes.
We are going to Amatolo to kill all their chiefs. We are going to kill the king. We are going to kill the queen. Anything related to royalty,
yes,
we are going to finish them.
Yes!
Asawana! Asawana! Asawana!
Asandade! Asandade! Alaba fie
Trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name. Both old and young afraid of him, there is terror in the land. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror. The birds sing his name, the wind sings his name. Even the gulls are silent and watching. They are watching the king of terror. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror.
Silence! Silence! Everyone! Silence! Silence! Shut up! Oh, Your Majesty! Oh, please, Your Majesty, please, I beg you! Don't kill me! Spare my life! Spare my life! I'll be your subject. I'll be humble and I'll be loyal all the days of my life. Please, forgive me. That is enough! Hands up! Yeah! He's up! Yeah! Yeah! It's not going to come at me! I want you all to listen to me. Whatever that is happening here today is the consequence of waking the sleeping lion. I am King Sele. I am the king of terror. I have come to announce to you all that Amatolo, your kingdom, is a conquered territory. And as a conquered territory, the name of Amatolo has been wiped out from the face of the earth. Oh yes, if anybody amongst you or anywhere mention the name of Amatolo again, the person will join your king away, the queen, your elders, and even your ancestors. And as for you, who are lucky enough to survive this great massacre, and for those that escaped, when you go, inform them that I'm using you and them to build the new Azusa kingdom. The new Azusa kingdom will be ruled by no other than my second son. My second son, Prince Athy. Yeah! He is not just only going to be your king, he is going to be a god among you. Whoever, anyone amongst you that disobeys him, the penalty is death.
Trees sing his name, the river sings his name.
Bring the crowd.
Old and young, afraid of him, here is
And the
terror
key.
in the land.
shut up. Silence! Quiet! Open your mouth. Your Majesty, this is the crown and the gate.
Super Dominant! By the powers bestowed on me as the king of Azusa Kingdom, I hereby crown you the king of Azusa Kingdom, the second. And so shall it be. Alagbafia!
Alagbafia, fie, fie. Ogidi fie, otengbosoa. Alagbafia, fie, fie. Ogidi fie, otengbosoa. Ogidi fie, otengbosoa. Fie, fie. Ogidi fie, otengbosoa. Ogidi fie, otengbosoa.
What could be the cause of this sudden illness?
It is a sign that his powers are springing forth rapidly, and his mortal body is too fragile to contain it.
So what do we do?
He needs to be engaged in a battle in order to release himself.
Can I engage him?
No. He will destroy you in just a minute. He's a weapon of mass destruction, and I doubt if he will be able to control his powers.
So then what do we do? I can't let him to be like this.
And we can't let him to go into any battle at this age. I doubt if he will be able to control his powers. We just need to look for a way to calm him down.
I have to engage him.
Kuro, I won't support this.
I'm not asking for your suggestion. He's my son, and I will do anything possible to stabilize him.
He will be fine. I'm sure.
The trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name, both old and young afraid of him. There is terror in the land. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of the road. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of the road. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of the road. The birds sing his name, the wind sings his name. Even the gulls are silent and watching. They are watching the king of terror. King Sele, King Sele.
I need to get to the farm. Guards! Guards! Guards!
King Sele,
You're all lazy. Fools. You were given this small portion of land to clear since morning and you're here wasting time. Guards,
Yes, Your Highness.
deal with them.
Why treat us this way? We've been working all day long trying to clear everywhere for you. Why treat us like this?
Bravo. I'm impressed. I've been ruling this land for 7 years this way, and nobody has ever been bold enough to challenge my authority. But today, a little girl has done what big goats could not do. Wow, I like that. But I hope you're not only strong up here. I hope you're also strong down here. Guards,
Your Highness, sir.
prepare for me.
Yes, Your Highness.
The trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name. For old and young are afraid of him. There is terror in the land. King Sele, the king of the road. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of the road. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of the road. The birds sing his name, the wind sings his name. Even the gulls are silent and watching. They are watching the king of terror. King Sele, King Sele.
Tama, my sister, I feel like running away from this village. I am tired of this whole thing that's happening. I am tired.
To where? To where? Where will you run to, Didi?
I am confused. I don't even know where to run to. I am just so irritated by this wicked madman that called himself our king. Shh. Oh.
Do you know what you're doing? This thing you are doing is death penalty. Not to talk of hearing us say evil things against the king. Didi, we all know that the king is a wicked man. But there's nothing we can do to change the situation. Everyone knows we are under a curse. And this curse was brought upon us by our late king and elders who decided to bury the fair, innocent daughters of Perowe alive. Simply because men from the river were coming to sleep with them.
And just because their boyfriends from the land were jealous of the men in the river, they provoked them and they killed them. And instead of our king to look for a better means to settle the matter, he decided to kill those innocent girls, leaving us here to suffer the consequences. Tama, sometimes I wonder why the gods are silent. I wonder why the gods are silent. Even after so much sacrifice and pleading is being done. I wonder.
It's a pity. It's a pity we are now slaves in our motherland. We've lost everything. Everything. Just that rapist. That rapist of a king
who keeps himself there, raping and deflowering all the young girls in this land. Sometimes I wish the son of our late king would just appear and stop that rapist out of the throne. I wish. Yet, not that just got drowned in the river.
Really? I heard everything both of you have just said now. Like as one of you said earlier, that the penalty for this kind of gossip is not an ordinary death. But it's death by hanging. An abnormal death and very painful. I'm taking the boat to the palace now. Move now.
Please now, eh?
Move.
Don't do this to us now. We are sorry. Please, eh? Calm down.
I said
move. What is it? I'm even surprised that you have the hands to hold two girls. Oh my God. I even heard that your manhood cannot rise again. Not even when you see a naked woman.
Who told you that my manhood is dead?
It is. It is. If you know that you are still a man and this thing can work, then do something. Prove yourself. Do it.
Okay.
You can't even do anything.
I will take it down.
Go, prove yourself. Prove yourself. Make love to me. Prove yourself. Are you scared?
She's the truth of authority. She's the path that leads to light. Ancient truths are hidden. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light, the hope of the people. She's the princess of light. She's
Who are you? And where are you coming from?
I am only trying to save my son. That wicked son of King Sele wants to kill my son. Please, save him from me.
The trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name.
What do we do now?
Both old and young afraid of him. There is terror in the land. King Sele. The trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name. Both old and young afraid of him. There is terror in the land.
Strangle him.
King Sele.
Strangle him! You have disobeyed me for the 4th time, and I have run out of patience. Who among these is your mother? Who among these is your mother?
My mother is dead.
Ah. I see. God, take him away and tie him up. He will neither eat or drink anything till tomorrow morning. Then you bring him here to fight again. And if he yet wins and refuses to kill his opponent, then I will cut off his neck myself. Take him away!
The trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name. Both old and young.
Rules of this game. Your back must not touch the ground. The strong must not pity the weak. Kill your opponent or be killed. Only 1 out of every 2 is permitted to live. Any of you who survives shall be trained as my guard and future warriors of this kingdom. You may now begin.
My son! Kenneth! Kenneth! He's dead! He's dead! Kenneth!
King Sele.
God, take him away.
King Sele, the king of Terror. King Sele.
Impossible. This is impossible! The rook that I know cannot die by drowning. Someone or something must have killed him.
With all due respect, Your Highness, in this entire village, no man or woman is capable of killing a warrior by the piercing of a sword or a cut in his body. I think he must have possibly hit his head by the riverbank by trying to...
You shut up! Are you trying to tell me that Uruk will leave his duty post and mission only to come to the river to swim? I don't believe that. I smell something fishy about his death. I, King Ebi, will get to the root of this matter.
The king of Terror.
Igbagara, to what do I owe this unannounced visit? That you've come to disturb my rest?
No matter how hard the bush baby cries, no nursing mother is kind enough to breastfeed him. But thank the gods, your son, Prince Abi, is not a bush baby. But you must do everything within your powers to prevent him from crying his voice or losing his voice.
What exactly are you talking about? Can you speak up in plain language so that I would understand where you're coming from and where exactly you're going?
Danger, Your Majesty. Danger. Danger awaits your son, and he cries for your help.
And when you say danger, what exactly do you mean? And who is that man that is endangering my son?
It's not who, Your Majesty, but what. I see spirits of old, far beyond the physical abilities of your son, await him with their mouth open in their new kingdom to swallow him up tomorrow.
Then we will move at first light tomorrow. I will gather all my warriors, all my men, and we'll journey together. If they want fight, I will give to them. If it is war they want, I, King Sele, I will give them war.
Why do I keep having this kind of dream all the time? Who are those beautiful girls and the horrible man in their center? Could this be something I should worry about?
The trees sing his name, the rivers sing his name. Both old and young afraid of him, there is terror in the land. King Sele, King Sele, King Sele, the king of terror.
Kill him! Strangle him! Oh, now I see that you want to dare me. Guards, slaughter this little rat!
I will not even dare, but hold my peace.
Princess of Light, you are here. The gods be blessed. But why did you leave the way you left?
I am not here to answer your question, but to warn you of your actions against this little child.
To warn me? Princess of Light, I thought you have come to help me kill this little rat that has come here to humiliate me. Oh. Oh. You were pregnant before you left.
But today, our faith and trust in you is hanging on the balance because you are pregnant like a mortal. We have come to know who is that man worthy enough to put you in the family way in this kingdom.
How dare you bring your little son to humiliate me?
He's not the one to humiliate you, but him.
Over my dead body.
Fear not. Nothing will happen. I have come to bring back the lost glory.
Oh, you lie! You lie, you little brat! How dare you say that? Where and what have you done to my son? I ask you all, what have you done to my son?
Oh, King Sele, like father, like son. The same arrogant spirit that killed your son will soon kill you.
You dare talk to me in this manner?
Yes!
God! What?
Oh, King Sele.
I am not your king. I am not your king. I only came to free the oppressed and free the gods of the land. Behold your king.
Is that my meal?
She's the dew of authority. She's the path that leads to light. Ancient truths are hidden. She's the only one to reveal. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light, the hope of the people. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light. She's the princess of light, the hope of the people. Freedom, freedom, freedom has come to the land. There is no more terror, we are free. The people are happy. The terror is gone. The tyrant is no more. Freedom has come at last. Freedom, freedom has come. There is peace, peace in the land. The gods are happy. The people are free. Freedom has come. There is life in the land. Freedom, freedom has come to the land. There is no more terror, we are free. The people are happy. The terror is gone. The tyrant is no more. Freedom has come at last. Freedom, freedom has come.
The black represents the riches of your kingdom. From today, your land shall produce speedily, and your kingdom once again shall be the richest. The red represents danger. No weapon fashioned against your kingdom shall prosper anymore, all through the days of your reign as king. And the white, as you know, is a symbol of peace. Your kingdom shall enjoy a long-lasting peace, and have been taken away for ages. With these blessings, your reign shall be the best. Sleep on, my king. Sleep on.
Freedom, freedom, freedom has come to the land. There is no more terror, we are free. The people are happy. The terror is gone. The tyrant is no more. Freedom has come at last.
Thank you. Thank you.
Freedom.
Yes, so beautiful.
Freedom has come. There is peace, peace in the land. The God